Yeah, I'll have a vanilla bean coffee. Thank you. Thanks for my coffee. Hey guys, if you guys didn't really know what's going on, I'm driving the girls to their daycare right now. They're on the back. I was only being quiet because I was getting everything ready. Their bag for class is in here, and I also got Starbucks vanilla bean coffee. So yeah, we're almost at their daycare. So yeah, I'll see you guys when. Just watch me drive for the rest of the video, so then we'll see each other in part 3. Come on, move out of the way. Beep, beep, beep. These cars these days.